4 passengers died and 70 were injured when the Delhi-Kamakhya Northeast Express derailed in Bihar's Buxar district on Wednesday, with 6 coaches involved. Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw expressed condolences and assured investigations into the cause. Rescue and evacuation operations are complete, with passengers to be shifted to a special train. East Central Railway cancelled 10 trains and diverted 21 due to the accident. Bihar hospitals are on alert, and state officials, police and disaster response teams have been deployed. Assam's Chief Minister confirmed a relief train is moving stranded passengers.